Combine art, design, and technology in a creative way. Today I've got the 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials pen set from 3Doodler. Designed for kids 6 and up, this 3D pen set comes with everything kids need to get started. First, you'll need to charge up the pen using the included USB charging cable. Once charged, turn on the pen and feed a strand of plastic into the pen. The pen heats up the plastic, but there are no external hot parts, and even the melted plastic that comes out of the pen isn't too hot to the touch. It dries and cools fairly quickly, but you'll still have time to mold and shape it with your fingers if you need to. The included activity and quick start guide offers basic instructions on how to get started, a practice page, and 10 design templates for making everything from shaped earbud holders to the Eiffel Tower. And of course, kids are encouraged to create whatever they want. Here's why I think this is an accessible way to introduce kids to 3D printing. The pros are that the pen is easy to use, 72 strands of plastic are included, 10 design templates are included, and this inspires creative play mixed with STEM learning. The cons are that there will be a learning curve, and the finished results will vary depending on the age and skill level of the child. But overall, I give this 4.5 stars.